Welcome to today's video. I am Sevesh Putti, founder of Auris with your family's private CFO. In this video, we are going to understand why ultra wealthy people are moving from real estate investment into financial products investment, and what is the biggest mistake that Indian parents have done in the past. And I see that a lot of Indian parents are still continuing to do this mistake. That is, they are parking all their money which they want to transfer to their next generation, to their kids, into real estate, and why it is a big trap. That is what we are going to understand in this video. So the biggest disadvantage of real estate is that it is highly illiquid. Physical assets are traditionally seen as a noble, secure legacy. So just to pass down some form of real estate on property, land, etc., is considered to be the standard way of giving inheritance to the next generation. However, even though the intention is really nice, it is good to pass down your wealth to your next generation, but it is actually a very inefficient way to do this wealth transfer, because real estate being completely an illiquid asset class, it creates structural deadlocks for the next generation and results into a lot of conflict of division of the inheritance money or inheritance amount, right? And it is mainly because of the indivisibility problem of real estate. Let's assume some person has three siblings, and out of these three siblings, sibling A needs immediate liquidity for their business, sibling B wants stable rental income and tax indexation, and sibling C is living in the US or overseas, and they don't want to have any hassle or burden of managing the property. They just want the cash so that they can repatriate the cash to the country which they are living in, because that amount is more beneficial to them in that particular country of residence. So the result of these kind of scenarios is a stranded relationship and legal gridlock. In fact, as per data, a huge number of legal cases that are going on in Indian courts is related to succession planning, and that too completely focused on real estate. So real estate being a huge hassle category in India with a lot of legal friction, illiquidity. So this is the main reason why there is so much conflict between siblings for succession planning in India that we see today. And one more problem when you are providing inheritance in terms of real estate to your next generation is a huge hidden friction cost like stamp duty and registration. There are probate and legal fees. If there is a conflict, then there will be a court case which will drive on for many years. So you have to pay legal fees, paperwork, etc. And there can be months or even years of litigation. There are cases which we hear which are stuck in the court for 10 years, 12 years, whereas the property is just sitting idle without any appreciation, without any rental yield, etc. Right? And in most cases, after years of litigation and no resolution, the inheritors have to just sell that property in a distressed liquidation sale, and eventually they are forced to sell at a 20 or 30% below the fair market value. So this is a common scenario that happens when there is a real estate that is being transferred to the next generation, especially real estate which was invested by the parents just for the sake of transfer, not the property in which they are currently living. But if there are some properties which are just purchased for the sake of saving money, or just for the sake of investing and then transferring the wealth to the next generation, we see these kind of conflicts in those kind of scenarios, which is pretty common in India. How are the ultra wealthy families solving this particular problem? They are institutionalizing the wealth transfer to the next generation. The wealthy families are migrating to liquid alternatives like mutual fund, SIF, TMS, etc. Unlike property, these assets can be fractionalized digitally to the exact rupee. So let's do an asset comparison architecture over here. Let's compare physical real estate to institutional financial assets. In terms of divisibility, physical real estate is definitely indivisible and there is a structural deadlock in that. Whereas in financial assets, it can be infinitely divisible, that too using complete digital infrastructure. In liquidity, again, To liquidate any property, it will take anywhere between 6 to 18 months. It is highly illiquid. Whereas for financial assets, you can liquidate the entire asset in T plus 2 or maximum T plus 15 days, and you will get that money in your bank account for sure. In terms of mutual fund, it is T plus 2. Within 2 days, you get the entire amount, no matter how large the amount is, in your bank account. In terms of transmission, the physical real estate transmission from one generation to next generation, there is a high amount of friction involved, high amount of cost involved in it, like registry, legal fees, etc. Whereas for financial assets, it is low friction, 100% digital, and because of online nomination, there is no conflict in terms of the nomination or the authority of the person who is going to inherit that particular asset. And in terms of management, again, you have to manage a physical real estate that involves time, effort, and a lot of cost. For example, repair, there will be tenants, you have to pay brokerage, etc. There will be property taxes, etc. But in terms of financial assets, the management cost is absolutely zero, and it is all managed by institutional experts who are, experts in their own particular. And this is where our private CFO framework really helps our clients in transferring their hard earned wealth throughout their life from them to the next generation as an inheritance, where we create a structure for the family. We move from arbitrary accumulation to goal based portfolio construction. So everybody in the family has complete clarity about their financial situation and their assets that they hold. Second is diversification. That is, we exit concentration risk and deploy the capital into equity, debt, and global alternatives. And third thing is transmit. That is, we ensure that your next generation, your inheritors, receive high liquidity, velocity products, and not just administrative or legal burdens through inheritance. And hence, through these activities, we ensure velocity of wealth transmission to the next generation, wherein in a financial asset, it takes just T plus 2 or T plus 3 days to get the money completely into the next generation's bank account completely digitally. Whereas in real estate, it can take anywhere between 12 months or even beyond that. So, in a volatile market, the speed of execution is the ultimate hedge for your families and for your next generation's future. So, this is the reason why it is of utmost importance for you to build a liquid legacy, to transfer your hard earned assets, hard earned wealth into the next generation in the perfect, safe, and in a systematic manner. So, stop passing down headaches and hassles to your next generation and start the process of passing down autonomy and ease of life, peace of mind to your next generation through digital wealth transfer. If you are serious about your family's and yours long-term wealth creation journey, and you want a professional company to guide you for the next 15, 20, 25 years or 30 years and be your wealth partner, your wealth guide for you and your family for not just one generation but for the multi generation, then Auris Wealth is the best private CFO and wealth partner for your family's wealth. We are a AMFI registered mutual fund and SIF distributor and an APMI registered EMS and AIF distributor. We are a complete 360-degree financial services providing company where we provide the complete investment, insurance, and will and estate planning solutions, as well as tax advisory, legal advisory solutions to our clients. And we primarily cater to HNI and NRI clients across the world. If you feel that we can be of help to you in your long term wealth creation journey for the next coming decades, then connect with us online in a secure and confidential manner. This audit is 100% online, wherein we will connect with you through Google Meet and we will review your existing portfolio. And the second step is we will map and identify yours and your family's financial goals for the next 25 to 30 years. Based on those goals, to achieve those goals, we will suggest you the best financial products, whether it be mutual fund, EMS, AIF, SIF, etc. We will also help you to get the adequate cover for your family's life insurance and health insurance as well, so that you are completely covered from any kind of unforeseen expenses. And overall, we will help you to invest in these products in a secured and safe and seamless manner through the Auris Wealth web application and mobile application as well. Every 3 months, we provide a portfolio review for each of our clients, and we will provide the same for you as well, making sure that your investments are on track for achieving your families and your financial goals for the next 25 to 30 years. And this is how the top 1% of the ultra wealthy families in India are becoming more and more wealthy in a structured, professional manner. So take the first step and book your free portfolio audit call with us at Auris Wealth. The link to booking this portfolio audit call is in the description box of this video. You will be taken to a Calendly page wherein you just have to fill a short form. It will take less than 1 minute. After that, you have to select the date and time which is the most conducive for you to do this online free audit portfolio or audit review call. And once we are online, we will take the next step towards your and your family's long term wealth creation journey from there on. So, thank you so much for watching. Do make sure that you book your free portfolio guidance call today itself. The link is in the description box below. If you found value in this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such long term wealth creation related videos. And also share this video in your friends and family WhatsApp group so that they can also benefit from this very important information. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video and in our portfolio guidance call online. Have a great day.